Hello friends, welcome to CodeBode. So in the last videos we saw what is Java and some features of Java language. Now in this video we will understand how to write our first code in Java. So let's get started with the video. Before starting coding in Java, you need to install JDK and the IDE of your choice. JDK has the tools to compile and run the Java applications, so it is mandatory. And here I am using Eclipse IDE as it is one of the most widely used IDE. You can use any IDE of your choice. We also have a separate video on how to download and install Eclipse and JDK. So you can check the links in the description box below. So let's start coding. Now here I'll create a new Java project. So click on File and say Create New Java Project, and a pop-up should open for you. So it is asking for the name of the project. So I'm going to say Hello World. And make sure you select the system's default GRE, so you don't need to do any other configurations, and click on Finish. So here we can see a project is created with a source folder in it, and all the Java code lies inside this source folder. Now in the previous videos we have discussed that Java is an object-oriented programming language and everything in Java is written inside a class. So we'll go ahead and create a class inside the source folder. So right click on the source folder and create class. Another pop-up should open, and here we'll write the name of the class as hello. You also have an option to create the package. Packages are like the folders inside which our class should reside. So similar class having similar functionalities are in the one package. So I'm going to name this package as com.codebode.projects. So this is the convention to create the packages. And I'm also going to select the option of creating the main method. Now every Java program should have exactly one main method as it is the starting point of execution. And compiler first finds the main method and then follows the next execution steps. So having main method is mandatory. So here our class file is created. Let's open it, and we have a class inside which we have a main method, and now we'll start writing a code inside the main method. So suppose I want to print one statement, hello world. I'm going to write System.out.println and say hello world. This is the syntax to print any statements. So this should print hello world on the console. Let's say I want to print one more statement. I'm going to again say System.out.println, or in Eclipse you can use shortcut and type sys out and press Control space, and the whole line should be printed for you. And I'm going to say welcome to CodeBode. So these two lines are going to be printed on the console. Let's run the program and check. Right click on the project and run as Java application. So here you can see our two lines are printed. But what if I want to print welcome to CodeBode on the next line? So instead of print, I'm just going to say println. Println creates a line break after hello. So let's go ahead and run this as Java application. So you can see that welcome to CodeBode is printed on the new line. This is our first program in Java, guys, where we have simply printed two statements. In the next video, we will understand this program in details. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also like and share this video. Keep learning and keep exploring.